The fact that the sound wave move independently from the source can create an interesting phenomena that we call it the shock wave. The shock wave happens when the source of the sound moves with the velocity that greater than the velocity or the speed of the wave in the medium. Okay. For example, this bullet move in the air, and this bullet create the wave, the sound wave around itself, and when the bullet move with the greater speed than the speed of the sound wave, it will create the pattern that we call it the shock wave. And we can see this more clearly in this figure. If the source moves with the speed that exceeds the speed of the wave, the sound wave in the medium, for example in the air, we can see that the wave front, the adjacent wave front with the same phase will align like this. And the point is that this is the adjacent wavefront that happened before this wavefront, but this is because the source moves with the speed that greater than the speed of the sound wave. The later wavefront will move beyond or will move forward the former wavefront, and the wavefront of the sound wave will create what we call it the the shock wave, which is the conical wavefront like this, which is the conical wavefront like this. We can see that the conical wavefront, we have the angle theta, this wavefront with the angle theta to the trajectory of the source. This value of theta can be calculated from the relation sin theta is equal to the v over vs, where v is the velocity of the source and vs is the velocity of the sound in the medium. This ratio is called the Mach number. Which tells us the ratio of the velocity of the source and the velocity of the sound in the medium. We can observe this kind of shock wave for the very fast airplane or the jet airplane, and the shock wave will produce a very strong sound, very loud sound. It is because the energy will concentrate on the wavefront, because we have that the wavefront very dense here on the conical shock wave, so we can hear the very loud sound. However, we can also see the shock wave for the object that not move that fast. For example, if we look at a boat in this figure, this conical shape is an example of the shock wave, and this is because the boat moves with a greater speed than the mechanical water wave that propagate from the boat. So the boat acts as the source of the water wave, and it moves faster than the speed of the water wave, so it creates a shock wave in this figure.